Hi students, today we can study exercise 3.4, question number 4 onwards. Then question number 1, 2, 3 already we done in previous class. Then now in this class we can study remaining questions. What is question? Using elementary transformation find inverse. That is our question. Then question number 4, in this question they are given one matrix 2, 3, 5, 7. First step, just give one name, let A equal to that matrix. Then A equal to I into A. I means identity matrix, A already given. All the values we can apply in here. A means matrix 2, 3, 5, 7 equal to I means identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. A, right, as it is. And then we have to do in left side, make it identity matrix. In here we need 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. This 2 first we will make 1. Then for that applying this first row will make only this 2 will make 1. Then this first row R1 we are going to change R1 divided by 2. This 2 divided by 2 will get 1, isn't it? That means this all the row is divided by 2. That is first step. I can write matrix 2 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2. Second row, right, same, 5, 7. Only we will change first row. Then equal to 1 divided by 2, 0 divided by 2, second row same, 0, 1 into A. 2 divided by 2, you will get 1, 1, 3 by 2, we cannot do anything, right, same, 3 by 2, then 5, 7, 5, 7. Equal to 1 by 2 we cannot do anything, 0 divided by 2 is 0. Matrix 1 by 2 here 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 into A. Now we got in first row first element is 1. Then in here in second row first element we will make 0. For that applying second row, that is R2. R2 minus 5R1. R2 minus 5R1. Only check it these two numbers, 5 and 1. Only these two numbers, only check it, other numbers just leave it. R2, what is R2? That is 5. 5 minus, then 5 into R1. R1 is 1. What will get? 5 minus 5 into 1? 5, isn't it? 5 minus 5 is 0. Only check it, these two numbers only. Yeah, now R1 is same, 1, 3 by 2 equal to, in here 1 by 2, 0 into A. Then second row, R2 minus 5R1. R2 in here 5. 5 minus 5 into R1 is 1. Then next again R2 minus 5R1. R2 is 7. 7 minus 5R1. 5 into R1 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. In right side R2 is 0. 0 minus 5R1. 5 into R1 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Then again R2 is 1 minus 5 R1. 5 into R1 is 0. So, implies matrix 1 3 by 2, right side 1 3 by 2. Then 5 into 1 5. 5 minus 5 0. Then in here 5 into 3 15 you will get, isn't it? Then cross multiple 7 into 2. When you take LCM 7 into 2 14 you will get, 14 minus 15 you will get minus 1. Divide by what is the denominator? That is 2 equal to 1 by 2 0. If this 0 no need to write, then minus 5 into 1 minus 5 divided by 2. 5 into 0 0, then remaining only 1 into A. Now we got 1 0. Take it second column. In here we need 1, isn't it? Next one we will make 1. First column already finished 1 and 0, isn't it? Then check it second column where we will come 1. That means in here, isn't it? This part make it 1. First make it 1. Okay, in second column first make it 1. Then that is second row. You can write applying. Second row will multiple by 1 we need, then just multiple by 2. If you multiple in here 2 means 2 cancel, then you will get minus 1, isn't it? We need 1, not minus 1. For that we will multiple by minus 2. You can write minus 2 or 2, multiple by minus 2. Then we will get first row, write 1 3 by 2 equal to right side also first row we can write as it is 1 by 2 0, then A. Then in here all the elements in second row multiple by minus 2, right? Minus 2 into first number is 0. Then in here minus 2 into which number? That is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Then in here also minus 2 into minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. Then in here minus 2 into which number? That is 1. 1 3 by 2, 1 3 by 2. Then minus 2 into 0 is 0. Then in here minus 2 and 2 cancel, minus minus, that will be plus, then remaining only 1 equal to 1 by 2 0. 2 cancel, minus into minus plus 5. Then minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into A. Then next step we want to make in here 0. How you can make that is R1. Applying R1 we are going to change. Then R1 minus 3 by 2 into R2. That is step R1. What is R1? That is 3 by 2. Check it. 3 by 2. Only check this two number. 3 by 2 and 1. 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into R1. R2 is 1. 3 by 2 into 1. 3 by 2. Isn't it? 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 will be 0. You can write. Second row write same. 0 1. Then in here also 5 minus 2 into A. First row, R1 is 1. 1 minus 3 by 2 into R2. What is R2? R2 is 0. The next, again R1 is 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into R2 is 1. Then in here right side 1 by 2, that is R1, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into, what is R2 is 5. Again R1 is 0 minus 3 by 2 into minus 2. Okay, you can write minus 2 in here. Minus 2. Then 3 by 2 into 0. Then remaining only 1. Matrix 1. Then in here remaining 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 1. 3 by 2, isn't it? 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. That is 0. 0 and 1. Right side 0 and 1. Equal to. In here what you will get? That means LCM is 2. Okay, write 2. Then 3 into 5. 3 into 5, 15. That means 1 minus 15 is minus 14. Minus 14. Then here 2 and 2 cancel. Minus cancel. Then remaining only 3. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. Guys, 1 0 0 1 equal to matrix 14 divided by 2 is 7. I will get, that means minus 7, minus already is there. Then 3 5 minus 2. Here A is the same A. Here also we can write A. Then what is this? 1 0 0 1, that is I, identity matrix. I equal to, this matrix we can give one name, B, then A. Therefore B equal to, B into A, we got identity matrix. That means B should be inverse of A. B equal to A inverse. Then B means already we got it, minus 7 3 5 minus 2. That is our A inverse. A inverse equal to minus 7 3 5 minus 2. This part B equal to A inverse we can write, because if you are checking one number, 4 into 1 by 4 equal to 1. 4 cancel, you will get 1, isn't it? That means this 1 by 4 is known as inverse of 4, multiplicative inverse of 4. Then same like that, this A and 1 matrix, if you are multiple, you got identity matrix. That means this B is inverse of A. Same like that. That means the place of B we can write A inverse. Okay. Then B already got it, this matrix. Write that one. And right side same A inverse. We got answer A inverse equal to minus 7 3 5 minus 2. That is our answer. Now we can see question number 5. One matrix given, that is 2 1 7 4. We have to find out inverse of that matrix. And then first step, just give one name. Let A equal to matrix 2 1 7 4. Then first step is, now A we can write A equal to I into A. Identity matrix into A, that is A. Then A, what is A? Already given in question, that is 2 1 7 4. 2 1 7, 4 equal to I means 1, 0, 0, 1. That is identity matrix. Then A we can write 7. Because this A we will not going to change. Okay. That's why no need to write this 2, 1, 7, 4 like that. We just write A. Then applying. First we have to do this left side. We will make identity matrix, that is 1, 0, 0, 1. This is like you will make. That means in first place, in the place of 2, we need 1. What I will do? This is first row R1, R1. In here we need 1. That's why just divide by 2. Divide by 2. 2, 2 cancel. Then you will get 1. That means R1 divided by 2. We can write R1 is 2 divided by 2. Then 1 divided by 2. Then second row, write as it is 7 and 4. Right side also 1 divided by 2, 0 divided by 2. First row, all the first row elements divide by 2. Then second row, no need to change anything, 0, 1 into A. Now 2 divided by 2, you will get 1. Matrix 1. Then 1 by 2 we cannot do anything. Right, 1 by 2. 7, 4. 7, 4. Equal to 1 by 2, right, same. 1 by 2, then 0. 0 by 2 is 0, and 0, 1. 0, 1 into A. Then next step, check it only first column. 1 got it. In first column 7 is there. In this place what we need? We need 0, isn't it? For that, applying R2, we are going to change R2 minus 7 R1. R2 is 7. 7 minus 7 R1. 7 minus 7 into R1 is 1, isn't it? What you will get? 7 minus 7 into 1. 7 into 1 is 7. 7 minus 7, 0 will get, isn't it? Then we can do first row, right side 1 by 2. Right side also, first row we can write 1 by 2, 0, then A. Second row, change it. R2 minus, R2 is 7. 7 minus 7 R1. 7 into R1 is 1. Then in here, R2 is 4 minus 7 into R1 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Then in here, R2 is 0 minus 7 into 1 by 2. Here R2 is 1 minus 7 into 0. Guys, 1 by 2 we can write 1 by 2. Then 7 into 1, 7, isn't it? 7 minus 7, 0. Then in here take LCM. LCM is 2, isn't it? Then 4 into 2, 8. 8 minus 7 into 1 is 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. We will get 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2, then 0. What you will get? 0 no need to write, isn't it? Then minus 7 into 1, minus 7. Divide by this 2. Then 7 into 0, 0. Then remaining only 1. We will get that answer. Now, in first column 1, 0 got it. Then check it second column 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is there. Where we will make 1? We make in here only 1. Make it that. In here make it 1. First make it 1, okay, not 0. Make it 1 in here. What you will do? Applying, say second row R2 we are going to change R2 into, what you will do? Multiple by, in here 1 by 2 is there, just multiple 2. 2 cancel, then you will get 1, isn't it? That means R2 just multiple by 2. We can write 2 into R2. R2 multiple by 2. R1 no need to change, right? R1 1 by 2 equal to, then again here 1 by 2 0, 1 by 2 0 into A. Then 2R2, 2 into R2 is 0, 2 into 0, again 2 into, in here R2 is 1 by 2. Second row just multiple by 2. Then in here 2 into R2 is minus 7 by 2. Then again 2 into R2 is 1. 2 into 1. 1 by 2. 2 into 0 is 0. Then 2 cancel, then remaining only 1. 1 by 2, 0. 2 and 2 cancel, then remaining minus 7. 2 into 1, 2 into 8. Now we got in here 1, then we will make in here 0. The place of 1 by 2 we will make 0. For that, applying R1. First row we are going to change this one. R1 minus 1 by 2 R2. Take it. R1 is 1 by 2, isn't it? Minus 1 by 2 into R2 is 1. R1 minus 1 by 2 R2. Then check it, how can make 0? In any row we can make easily 0. First write R1, then minus, maybe plus. Okay, maybe plus or minus. We can write minus. R1 minus, then this number, that number already is there, 1 by 2, isn't it? Then R2. R2 always 1 only will get, because we will make first 1, then only we will make 0, isn't it? Then R2 is always 1. Then R1 minus that same number, maybe minus, we can write minus. Okay. Then same number, then R2. This is common step for making 0. Then for making 1, just divide by same number. Look in here, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means multiple by 2. 2 and 2 cancel, you will get 1, isn't it? R1 we are going to change, R2 we can write as it is 0 and 1. Equal to minus 7, then 2 into A. R1 is 1 minus 1 by 2 into R2 is 0. That second. R1 in here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into R2 is 1. In here R1 is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into R2 is minus 7. Then next R1 is 0 minus 1 by 2 into R2 is 2. What you will get? 1 by 2 into 0, that will be 0. Then remaining only 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2, isn't it? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is 0. Second row 0 and 1. 0. Equal to, in here, minus into minus plus. Okay. 1 into 7, 7. 7 by 2. Then take LCM. LCM is 2. 2 is LCM. Then 1 plus 7. Plus means minus into minus plus, you got it, isn't it? 1 plus 7 is 8. Then 2 and 2 cancel, then remaining only minus 1. Minus 7, 2. Minus 7, 2 into 8. 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to 8 divided by 2 is 4, minus 1, minus 7. Then what is this? This is I. I equal to, this part we can write B. One matrix. B. Then B into A we got I. That means therefore B means A inverse. A into A inverse only we will get I. Then B we can write, that is 4 minus 1 minus 7 then 2. That is our answer, A inverse. Question is question number 6. In here also we have to find out inverse of this matrix. Then first give one name, let A equal to that matrix. Now A we can write A into I. A means 2, 5, 1, 3. That matrix is right. 2, 5, 1, 3 equal to I means identity matrix. So that is 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. Make it in here. In here make it 1. In the place of 2 we will make, in the place of 2 we will make 1. For that applying R1 first row, R1 just divide by 2. R1 divide by 2. All the R1 first row element just divide by 2. Then can write 2 by 2, 5 by 2 equal to 1 by 2, 0 by 2 into A. Second row, right side 1, 3, 1, 3, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then 2 divided by 2, you will get 1. 1. 5 divided by 2, we can write same 5 divided by 2. Then 1, 3. 1, 3. 1 equal to 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2. Then 0 divided by 2 is 0, 0, 1. 0, 1 into A. Then next step we have to make in here 0. For that applying second row only R2 we are going to change R2 change to R2 minus R1. One R1 also you can R1. Take it R2 minus R1. R2 is 1. 1 minus R1 also 1. 1 minus 1 you will get 0. Isn't it? Just subtract that both row. R2 we are going to change. That's why R1 we can write same 1 5 by 2 1 by 2 0 into R2 minus R1, that is 1 minus 1. Again 3 minus 5 by 2. 0 minus 1 by 2. Then 1 minus 0. 1, 5 by 2, 0. Take LCM. LCM is 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. Equal to 1 by 2, 0. 0 minus 1 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 0 is 1 into A. Now in here, in second row, second element, in the place of 1 by 2 we will make 1. What we will do? Just multiply by 2 into 2. 2 cancel, you will get 1, isn't it? Then second row multiple by 2. Applying R2. 2 into R2. Second row just multiple by 2. That time 1 5 by 2. Then first row, no need to change anything. 1 by 2 0 into A. Second row, all the elements just multiple by 2. You can write 2 into 0, 2 into 0. Then 2 into 1 by 2. So in here also 2 into minus 1 by 2. Here also 2 into 1. 2 into 1. 1 5 by 2. 2 into 0 is 0. 1 by 2, 2 cancel, you will get 1. 1 by 2, 0. 2 cancel, then remaining minus 1. 2 into 1, 2 into A. Then next, in the place of 5 by 2, we will make 0. Applying. Is R1. We are going to change R1. That is R1 minus 5 by 2, same number, 5 by 2 into R2. R1 is 5 by 2, check it, 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 into R2 is 1. 5 by 2 into 1, 5 by 2, isn't it? 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 is, that will be 0. Second row only we are going to change, first row only we are going to change, that's why second row, right side, 0, 1, equal to minus 1, 2 into A. Then R1, that is 1 minus 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into R2. R2 is 0. Here also, R1 is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 into R2 is 1. Then R1 is 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 into R2 is minus 1. Then R1, that is 0, 0 minus 5 by 2, 5 by 2. Then R2 is 2. Now, in here, 5 by 2 into 0, 0, isn't it? Then remaining only 1. 1. Then 5 by 2 into 1, 5 by 2. 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 is 0. 0, 1 equal to, what you will get? Minus into minus plus, isn't it? Then 5 into 1, 5. That means plus 5 by 2. Take LCM. What is LCM in here? LCM is 2. Both denominators are equal, isn't it? LCM is 2. Then 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 will get 6 divided by 2. Here plus, minus into minus, plus already written. Then 1 plus 5 is 6 divided by, that's common denominator, that is 2. Then in here 2 and 2 cancel, then remaining only minus 5. Minus 5. Minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2 into A. 1, 0, 0, 1. Then just 2 cancel, 3. 3 minus 5 minus 1, 2 into A. This is I, identity matrix. then this matrix we can write B, then A. Therefore, B equal to A inverse. B equal to A inverse. B means already we have written 3 minus 5 minus 1 2 equal to A inverse. That is our answer. Now we can see question number 7. One matrix given, first give one name, let A equal to matrix. Now A equal to I into A. A matrix means 3, 1, 5, 2. Already given. Equal to I means identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1 into A. First step, in first row, in here in the place of 3 we have to make 1. For that, applying R1 we are going to change R1 divided by 3. So divide by 3, the time you will get in here 1, then 3 by 3, 1 by 3. Then second row no need to change, 5 and 2 write same, equal to, in first row in here also you have to divide by 3, 1 by 3, 0 by 3, then 0 and 1 into A. Implies 3 by 3, 3 divided by 3 we will get 1. Then 1 by 3 we can write same, we cannot do anything, 1 by 3, then 5 2, 5 2 equal to 1 by 3 write as it is, 0 by 3 answer is 0, 1 by 3, 0 by 3 will be 0, then 0 1. Then now in here in second row first element we have to make 0. For that, applying R2, second row we are going to change R2 minus, write same number, that is 5 into R1. R2 minus 5 into R1. R2 is 5 minus 5 into R1 is 1. 5 into 1, 5. 5 minus 5, that will be 0. Then, first row, we can write 1 by 3 equal to, right side, 1 by 3, 0. A also we can write. Then, in second row, R2 is in here 5 minus 5 into R1 is 1. Then 2, that is R2 minus 5 into 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Then right side, R2 is 0. 0 minus this 5 into R1 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Then here, R2 is 1 minus 5 into R1 is 0. 1 by 3, 5 into 1, 5, 5 minus 5, 0. Then, in here, take LCM is 3. 3 is LCM. Then, 2 into 3, 6, isn't it? 5 into 1, 5. Then, 6 minus 5 will get in here 1. 1 by 3. Right side, 1 by 3, 0. Then minus 5 into 1, minus 5 by 3. Then 5 into 0, 0. Then remaining only 1. 1 into A. Now, in first column, 1, 0 got it. Then second column. In second column, we have to make 1 in here. In the place of 1 by 3. In second row, second element. Make it in here 1. Here we have to make number 1, isn't it? Then applying R2
3 into R2. Just multiple by 3 in here. 3 cancel, you will get 1, isn't it? Then multiple by 3 in second row. Dice matrix. First row, right same, 1 by 3. And right side also, first row, same, 1 by 3, 0, and 8. Second row, all the second row elements multiple by 3. 3 into 0, then 3 into 1 by 3. Then in right side also you have to multiple by 3. 3 into minus 5 by 3, then 3 into 1, 3 into 1. 1 by 3, 3 into 0 is 0, 3 cancel, then remaining 1, equal to 1 by 3, 0, 3 cancel, you will get in here minus 5, 3 into 1, 3 into 8. Now 1, 0, 1. Then in here, in first row, second element, that is 1 by 3. Then 1 by 3 we have to make 0. Applying. First row we are going to change R1. That is R1 minus the same number 1 by 3, then R2. R1 minus 1 by 3, R2. R1 we are going to change, then R1, that is in here 1 minus 1 by 3 R2, 1 by 3, R2 is 0, you can write 0. Then again R1, that is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into R2, R2 is 1. Second row, you can write 0, 1, same, equal to. And right side also we can change. Right side R1, it is R1, it is 1 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 into R2 is minus 1. Then 0 minus 1 by 3 R2, 1 by 3 into R2 is 3. Second row we can write minus 5, 3 into 8. In this. In here 1 by 3 into 0, 0, isn't it? Then remaining 1. 1 by 3 into 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is 0. Then 0, 1 we can write, same. Then minus and minus plus, take LCM, LCM is 3. 3, 1 plus 5, minus and minus plus, isn't it? 1 plus 5 is 6. 3 cancels and remaining minus 1. Here minus 5, 3. Minus 5, 3 into 8. 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to, plus 2 cancel 2 times. You will get 2 minus 1 minus 5, 3 into 8. Then what is this? This is identity matrix. I we can write. That is identity matrix only. Then right side one matrix is there, give name B. This is B, then A. Therefore, B means what? B means A inverse. Because A into A inverse only we will get I. Then B matrix we can write, that is 2 minus 1 minus 4, 3. That is B matrix. That will be A inverse. A inverse equal to 2 minus 1 minus 4, 3. Now we can see question number 8. Here also one matrix given. We have to find out inverse of this matrix. Let's give one name. Let A equal to that matrix. Now A we can write A equal to I into A. A means 4, 5, 3, 4 equal to I means 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. A we can write same because we are not going to change this A. Now first in here this left side we have to make identity matrix. That means this like 1, 0, 0, 1. This like matrix we have to make in left side. Check it. First 1, isn't it? In the place of 4 we have to make 1. For that first row divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 you will get 1, isn't it? Then applying R1 means R1 divided by 4. Then we can write 4 divided by 4, 5 divided by 4. Only change it R1. Then R2 we can write 3, 4 equal to 1 by 4, 0 by 4. In right side also R1 we have to change. Then R2 second row no need to change into A. Now 4 divided by 4 we will get 1. One. 5 divided by 4 we cannot do anything. 3, 4. 3, 4 equal to 1 by 4 right side 1 by 4 we cannot do. Then 0 divided by 4. 0 divided by 4 is 0, 0, 1 into A. Now check it in here. In first column 1 got it, isn't it? In second element, in first column is first column. Second element 0 we needed, isn't it? That means in the place of 3 we need 0. For that we can change R2. Applying R2 we are going to change. How can means R2 minus same number 3 into R1. R2 minus 3 into R1. R2 we are going to change only R2. R1 we can write same. Then 1 R1 that is next 5 by 4 equal to 1 by 4 then 0 into A. R2 change it. R2 minus 3 R1. R2 is 3 minus 3 R1. R1 is 1. Then again R2 is 4. 4 minus 3 R1. 3 into R1 is 5 by 4. 5 by 4. Then right side R2 is 0. 0 minus 3 R1. 3 into R1 is 1 by 4. Next R2. R2 is in here 1 minus 3 into R1. R1 how much? 0. Implies 1 5 by 4 3 into 1 3. Then 3 minus 3 you will get 0. In here take LCM. LCM is 4, isn't it? You can write 4. Then 4 into 4 16. Then 3 into 5 15. 16 minus 15 you will get 1 equal to 1 by 4 0. The 0 no need to write. Then minus 3 into 1 minus 3 divided by 4. 3 into 0 0 then 1. Now what we will do? In here which number we need? Check it identity matrix. 0 1 0 0 1. In second column we need in here 1. That means in this place we need 1. Keep in mind, don't make first 0. That is little difficult. First make it 1. Okay, 1 means what you will do? In here we need 1 means just multiple by 4.
4 into 4 cancel, then what will be remain? That will be 1, isn't it? That means second row multiplied by 4. Applying R2 we are going to change, multiple by 4. 4 into R2. First row we can write same. Then 1 by, in here 1a is there, common a, 1 by 4, 0 into a. Second row, all the elements multiple by 4. We can write 4 into 0, and then 4 into 1 by 4, and then in here also 4 into minus 3 by 4, in here 4 into 1. 1, 5 by 4, 4 into 0 is 0, this 4 cancel, then remaining 1 equal to 1 by 4, 0, 4 cancel, then remaining minus 3, 4 into 1, 4. Now, in the place of 5 by 4, in here we need 0, that is next step, last step that, for that applying. Which row? That is R1. R1 we are going to change. R1 minus, write same number, that is 5 by 4 into R2. Making 0 is very easy. Write first same row R1. Then minus, write same number 5 by 4. In here only we have to make 0, isn't it? Write 5 by 4, 5 by 4, then R2. Next number. Then R1 minus, R1 is in here, 1 minus 5 by 4 into R2. R2 is 0. And then in here, R1 is 5 by 4 minus 5 by 4 into R2. R2 is 1. 0, 1. Equal to right side. What is the right side? R1 is 1 by 4 minus 5 by 4 into R2. R2 is minus 3. Then again 0, R1 is 0 minus 5 by 4 into R2 is, what is R2? Here R2 is 4. Then second row no need to change, minus 3, 4. Minus 3, 4. Then into yes. Then 5 by 4 into 0. 0 will get, then remaining only 1. 1 in here. 5 by 4 into 1. 5 by 4, isn't it? 5 by 4 minus 5 by 4, you will get 0. Then 0, 1 right same. Equal to. Then minus into minus plus. Okay. LCM is 4. You can write 4. 5 into 3. 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 15 plus 1, 16. Plus how came? Minus into minus plus we will get, isn't it? Then right side 4 cancel, then remaining minus 5, minus 3 and 4 into a. 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to, this to cancel 4 times. 4 minus 5 minus 3, 4 into a. This is identity matrix I we can write. I equal to, this matrix will give one name B into A. Therefore, B equal to A inverse. A into A inverse only will get I, isn't it? That means B matrix means that is A inverse B. P already we are done, that is 4 minus 5 minus 3, 4 into A inverse. Question number 9. We have to find out inverse of this matrix.
First step, give one name. Let A equal to that matrix. Now A equal to, we can write I into A. I means identity matrix. How can I write this one? If you have any doubt means we can write, check it. 5 we can write 1 into 5. 1 is identity, unit, isn't it? Then same like that. In here, in the matrix case, I is like 1 only, identity only. If you multiple 1 into 5, you will get 5 only. Same like that, one identity matrix multiple with another matrix, you will get that same matrix. Identity, another matrix only you will get. Okay. Then A means 3, 10, 2, 7. I means 1, 0, 0, 1 into A. In here, in left side, we have to make identity matrix. And then applying. In here, make it 1. The place of 3, make it 1. For that is first row, R1. We are going to change R1 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3, you will get 1, isn't it? That's why all the first row elements divide by 3. You can write 3 divided by 3, 10 divided by 3, 2, 7. Second row no need to change, only first row. 1 divided by 3, 0 divided by 3, 0, 1 into A. 3 divided by 3 is 1, 1. 10 divided by 3, we cannot do, alright, same. 10 divided by 3, then 2, 7. 2, 7. Equal to 1 by 3. 0 by 3 is 0, 0, 1. 0, 1 into A. What is next step? The place of 2, we have to make 0. For that, applying R2, we get R2 minus, which number? Right, same number. 2 into R1. R2 is 2. 2 minus 2 into R1 is 1. Take it. 2 minus 2 into 1. 2, isn't it? 2 minus 2. I will get 0. Then 1, 10 by 3. You can see now. R2 minus 2 R1. R2 is 2. 2 minus 2 R1. R1 is 1. This is R1. Then again R2. R2 is 7 minus 2 R1. R1 is 10 by 3. 10 by 3. Equal to first row, right side 1 by 3, 0. Second row R2, that is 0 minus 2R1. 2 into R1 is 1 by 3. And then again R2. R2 is 1 minus 2 into 0. A. You have to write in here A is there. Okay. And then 1, 10 by 3. And here 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. What will get? Take LCM. 3 will be LCM. Then 2 into 10, 20. Then 7 into 3, 21 minus 20 is 1. 1 by 3, 0 into A, same A. Then minus 2 into 1, minus 2 by 3. In here 0 is there, 2 into 0, 0. Then 1 only remaining. Next step is, the place of 1 by 3 we have to make 1. For that, multiple by 3. If you have multiple in here 3, 3 cancel, you will get 1, isn't it? Then second row, multiple by 3. Applying R2. That is
3 into R2. Second row multiple by 3. That's 1, 10 by 3, 3 into 0, 3 into 1 by 3. Then first row no need to change, 1 by 3, 0. I also write same. Then 3 into minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. Then 3 into 1, 3 into 1. 1, 10 by 3. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 cancel, you will get 1. 1 by 3, 0. 3 cancel, you will get minus 2. Then 3. Now we got in here also 1. The next step, in the place of 10 by 3, we have to make 0. For that, applying. Which row we are going to change? This one. First row, isn't it? You can write R1. Then R1 minus. In here, which number is there? 10 by 3. Write 10 by 3 into R2. That is next step. R1, you can start from here. R1 is 1 minus 10 by 3 into R2. R2 is 0. Then, in here, second time. R1 is 10 by 3 minus again 10 by 3 into R2. R2 is 1. And then second row, no need to change, 0 and 1. Then R1, that is 1 by 3 minus 10 by 3, 10 by 3, R2 is minus 2. Minus 2. And then in here, what is R1? R1 is 0, 0 minus 10 by 3, 10 by 3 into R2. R2 is 3. 3. Then second row we can write as it is, minus 2 and 3 into A. Into A. Then 10 by 3 into 0. You will get 0 only. Then what is remaining? Only 1. 1. In here, 10 by 3 into 1, 10 by 3. 10 by 3 minus 10 by 3, that will be 0. 0. Then 0 and 1. 0. Then take LCM. LCM is 3. Minus into minus plus. Then 10 into 2, 20, isn't it? Then 1 plus 20. Plus means minus into minus plus, got it, isn't it? Then 1 plus 20, 21. 21. 3 cancel. Then remaining minus 10. Minus 2, 3. Minus 2, 3 into A. 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to, this 2 cancel how many times? 7 times. We can write 7. 7 minus 10 minus 2, 3 into A. Then 1, 0, 0, 1, that is I equal to 1 matrix. Just give B into A. Then, therefore, B matrix means A inverse. This B matrix means our A inverse. What is the reason? Means A into A inverse only you will get I. That means B means A inverse. Then B we can write 7 minus 10 minus 2, 3. That is our A inverse, our answer.